Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can download the Telegram in MacBook. So let's start. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to open the Apple Store. So let's start. So first of all, we have to click on this. If you want to open this from here, you can also do that, or if you want to open this from Launchpad, you can also do that. So let's start. So as you can see, the Apple Store is open. Now simply what we have to do, we have to click here, and after clicking here we have to search for the Telegram. So I'm going to click on the Telegram. So let's write and now press the enter, and the Telegram will be open. So as you can see, now it's loading. We have to wait for a few seconds until it loads. So as you can see, the Telegram is here. Now simply we have to click on this. As you can see, it has an option for the Telegram. We have to click on the get. And after clicking on the get, we have to click on the install, and the installation process will be started. We have to wait for a few seconds until it loads. So it will ask us from the Apple account ID password. So we have to click on this, and now we have to add our password. So I'm going to add the password here. So as you can see, I have inserted a password. Now simply it will take few seconds, and after that it will be downloaded. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can download the Telegram in MacBook OS. So you have to follow these steps, and after that it will be ready to use. So see you guys in the next video.